Hi there, it's the new planting season and a new opportunity to grow your own food. I know I've not been around for a while. It's been busy and I just moved house. And so this year I'm going to be transitioning from doing purely container gardening to a mix of container gardening and in-ground gardening. So moving in here, there was a lot of things going on in the background, in the backyard. There wasn't really much space, but I'm just going to show us a bit of what it looks like now and where my gardening space is going to be, for this year. So just come along with me. So here we have the sod in the grass that was just put in newly, and this is just the little portion I have for growing my stuff. So it looks kind of small, but I think it's fair enough. So it goes all the way down here. This is all the place that has grass, and then this is the spot I have for growing. And I'm just going to put some edging around it at some point. But also I have lots of space by the side of the house, which is why I allowed myself to be crowded into that little space. So I'm going to also be growing lots of stuff along this axis, and I'm just going to get rid of everything. I am a vegetable planter. I love flowers and stuff, but I'm more into veggies. I believe if I'm growing something, I should be able to eat it. Well, that's me. So I'm just going to be clearing all these things. As you can see, I've already started the cutting. This place, the plants look very healthy. I've not watered them for once, but everything looks really good. So these ones are kind of tough. I'll try and see if I can get them down. If not, they stay. So all the way down there, that's where I am going to be growing my stuff. So I just thought I'd give us a quick heads up on what's going on with me. I'm going to take you along on my journey, and then perhaps I might put a couple of things in a container, my plant pots. As you can see, I have one here. Maybe I might line up a couple here, and that's about it. So I hope you come along with me on this journey in case you want to grow your own garden from scratch and you don't know what to do. Maybe you can learn a couple of what I do in my own space. And thank you for your time, and I'll see you in my next video.